Hello everybody, welcome back. I'll show you how you can erase using brush tool in Photoshop just like this. So using the same brush that you used to draw some parts of the spiderweb, you can erase just like this. Erase some parts of the spiderweb so that it looks like these parts of the spiderweb. Just like this. Oh, pretty fancy. So once you've dragged an image into Photoshop, for example, this image of a spider and its spiderweb, all you have to do now is to click on New Layer to create a new layer. Afterwards, click on the Brush tool, pick a coarse brush, for example, this one. You can choose any of these brushes in Photoshop. Afterwards, you start drawing without holding any key on the keyboard, and then you use hold the left click button to start painting. So the key, the special key on the keyboard that I mentioned earlier that you use to erase using the same brush, which is this one. It's called the back tick key on the keyboard, or the grave accent key on the top left. If you hold it and then you paint it just like this, you erase some parts of the spiderweb using the same brush just like this. Pretty easy, isn't it? So you can create more. I just want to demonstrate so that you can erase some parts using your brush in the brush tool just like this. That's how you can erase using this brush tool in Photoshop. So thanks for watching. Hold the back tick key on your keyboard again, just like this, to erase. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.